So, question 7. It's really frustrating, but there is no way around it. We're going to have to start by multiplying out this bracket. So, at the very beginning of this is going to be, well, if you multiply this out, you're going to get 1 minus sine 3x minus another sine 3x plus sine squared 3x. Notice that if you multiply sine 3x by sine 3x, you get sine squared 3x. You don't get anything at all to do with 9x. So don't make that mistake at the start. We've now got 3 things that we want to integrate. The 1 I'm really happy with. The 2 sine 3x, I can do that. The sine squared 3x. Now hang on, that's one of the ones that we just wrote as being part of our trigonometric identities type of integrals. So we can't just go straight into sine squared 3x. We've got to remember that, well, what's the identity? Sine squared a is a half 1 minus cos 2a. That's the identity that we've got. Like I said before, if you can't remember that, then quickly derive it. Start with sine. What is it? Sine cos squared a is cos 2a is cos squared a minus sine squared a, and go from there until you get to that point. That might be my phone. Sine squared a is 3x in this case. So that's sine squared 3x is a half 1 minus cos 6x. So let's plug that back into our integral now. Our integral is the integral from 0 to pi by 6 of 1 minus 2 sine 3x plus a half of 1 minus cos 6x dx. Notice again, just like the last one, I'm holding back from actually integrating until I've got everything ready, until it's all tidied up and neat. I think I've got 1 plus a half there, haven't I? So that's 3 over 2. I've got a minus 2 sine 3x. And I've got minus a half plus 6x. Right. Now I'm ready to do some integration. The 3 over 2, that's okay. That's going to be 3 over 2x. What does 2 sine 3x go to? Sine integrates to minus cos. Sim card. The 3 is going to go down to the bottom of the fraction, so it's going to be 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 cos 3x. Are we happy with that? Half cos 6x was cos just integrates to sine. We're going to divide by the 6, so that's a 12th of sine 6x. Okay, we're nearly there, but it took a bit of doing to get to that point. Now we're ready to throw some limits into this. We're going to put the pi by 6 in first. Now hang on, you've got calculators, and most of your calculators can be quite happy to deal with the fractions that go in here. So just go straight for it for that. 3 over 2 times pi by 6, that's pi by, what is that? Pi by 4. The cos of, well, that's the cos of 3 pi by 6, the cos of pi by 2. 90 degrees, cos of 90 is 0, so that's 0 from that bit. And this is sine of pi, 6 times pi by 6. And the sine of pi Sine of 180 degrees, well that's 0 as well. So from putting pi by 6 in, we got pi by 4 out of it as an answer, that's it. If we put 0 in there, 1.5 times 0 would be 0. Cos of 0, oh no, cos of 0 is 1. So there we do have a 2/3. Sine of 0, well sine of 0 is 0 again. Got a 0 out of that. So actually we didn't end up with an awful lot. We've got pi by 4 minus 2/3, and that's our answer. Now, am I right? If you just type in the limits and get your calculator to do it, will it combine these as a decimal, or will it do it as 2 separate fractions? That's the thing to watch out for, isn't it, when we mix these two? If you do it individually, you get it. Yeah. There we are. Pi by 4 minus 2/3 is the final answer. Oh yeah, thank you.